Have you heard the parable of the birds? A story was told about how birds got their wings. The story goes that birds were first made without wings. Then God made wings, put them in front of the wingless bird, and said to it, "Come, take up these burdens and bear them." The bird hesitated at first, but soon obeyed and picked up the wings in his beak. Because the wings were heavy, the bird laid them on its shoulders. Then, to its amazement, the wings began to grow and soon had attached themselves to its body. The bird quickly discovered how to use these new wings and were soon soaring through the air. What had once been a heavy burden now became an instrument that enabled the bird to soar and go where it could never go before. May this parable remind us of God's promise in Isaiah 40:30. But those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. May this parable remind us that as we go through troubled waters, and when our burdens became heavy and unbearable, we shall lean on to Jesus. He shall lay His hands on us and help us regain our strength.